That's a lie. That is the biggest lie I've ever. Today's video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and help run your business. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be opening up that's definitely three, isn't it? Definitely three different Ipsy bags with three different profiles, and then at the end I might even put some of it on my face.
Wow, crazy. You're crazy, girl.
Oh, I'm currently landing in just like a lot of powder. We're also going to be playing a guessing game here together where we try to guess which bag matches which one of the three profiles, and typically I'm very wrong because Ipsy's not very good at their own game, the match and profile kind of game. And this is what we like to call the Ipsy Showdown, or the worst game show on YouTube. First things first, we have to get into our three little bags here, so let's go ahead and open up this one. Daisies! Okay, the little bag for this month is precious. This is precious. That's adorable. So we just have like the palest pink little bag with some cute white daisies on them, and then look at that zipper. Isn't that so cute? I do really like this bag. I think it is very adorable. This one feels a little bit on like the skinty side, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. First we gotta check the wrapper though, because sometimes I just like chuck stuff across the room before looking. The very first item we have inside of here is from Bobbi Brown, and this is a smoky eye mascara. Oh, I'm showing you guys the barcode. Where's the front of it? There we go. Okay, so this is from Bobbi Brown. Like I said, it's a smoky eye mascara. Smells like mascara, looks like mascara, probably is, you know, mascara. There is the little wand. It's fairly like straight and pointed. It's not too like floofy or anything. Ooh, this looks a little bit different and unique. Well, okay, yeah, it looks pretty unique, but it's not necessarily like a revolutionary product for us to get in an Ipsy bag. But this is from Koki. It is an eyebrow pencil. It's like a little, what do you call this? Like, what's the square version of tube? This is in the shade Chocolate Brown. It is dual-ended, or at least it looks to be, so I'm guessing one side has like a little spoolie or something. You know, I haven't been super happy with my eyebrow product recently, so I think what I'm going to do is typically I would donate all the items from these bags and like include the bags themselves, but so we can also have like a kind of try-on portion, I think that I'm going to take things that I would actually use or really want to try out, and then at the end just kind of incorporate them into a makeup look that I would wear kind of every day, and the rest of the stuff I will donate, and then I have more items that I can stuff the bags with. So I was really concerned about like how much waste was coming from all of this, and I do want to donate these items, so I think that's the best way to go about it, so I can still test out some of the items. But also I can donate the rest. Alright, yeah, so it is dual-ended, and one side it does have a spoolie, and here is the tiny little eyebrow tip. Oh, she's rough. Okay, yeah, she's firm, she's rough, she's scratchy. It's feeling like the calloused hands of like a rancher. Like very on the rough side, but I'm hoping maybe it'll help me draw just like little hairs here in the front of my brow, because they are kind of sparse. But where is it all coming from? Alrighty, next up here we have something for, oh, it'll help moisturize your rancher hands. So the next thing we have is from Diana's Goat Milk Skincare, and this is a goat milk body lotion. I am an absolute sucker for goats. Look at that little just silhouette of a cute little goat up there. How precious. Goats are just one of my favorite animals. They're just so silly, just like hopping around for no reason. The ones that you get if they get scared and they like, you know, fall to the side like that. That's just so silly. I think they're great. This is in the scent White Jasmine and Shea, and it's supposed to soothe and repair dry skin, so it sounds nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I missing a product? Ipsy's comes with 5 products, right? Like the last time I checked, you got 5 products. I checked the bag, nothing else was in it. Oh, it's because it's tiny and little and at the bottom. Okay, yeah, I definitely overlooked that because it was very tiny and just kind of blended in. But anyway, the next item in here is from Honey Jarrett. This is a rose clay purifying mask. 1.52 ounces. That's a lie. That is the biggest lie I've ever... No, ma'am. I got a giant ring light that'll reveal your lies, Honey Jarrett. There is this much inside of this bottle. That's literally it. All the rest of this is air. If that is 1.52 fluid ounces, I have been lied to my entire life. Maybe if they're going by like weight and they're including like the packaging in that weight, perhaps it's 1.52 ounces, but there's absolutely no way liquid measuring that is 1.52 ounces. Alright, so I just gotta show you all something real fast. So I went into my kitchen and got out my food scale because I am absolutely convinced there is no possible way that this has 1.52 fluid ounces inside of it. I just don't think it's possible. It's literally all the way down to here. Like there's no product past this point. I mean, it might look like there's a tiny bit of product up there where I've been mushing around, but trust me, there is not. So I have my scale zeroed out here. I'm just gonna go ahead and bloop. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. So this is me weighing it inside the entire packaging with the heavier plastic lid, the whole bottle. It says it's only 1.25 ounces, including the plastic packaging. So that means to me there is clearly no way that there is 1.52 fluid ounces product inside of there. I can press the fluid ounce button. I don't really honestly know the difference that much. Okay, for fluid ounces, it says there's 1.17. Truly and honestly, I don't know what the difference is between that, but clearly there is no way that this has 1.52 fluid ounces in it. It just doesn't. Honey Jarrett, I think you are telling us fibs. Regardless of how much they're lying to us on this packaging right now, I do actually really like rose clay. Roses, that's a different subject. You guys know how I feel about that. And then finally, the tiniest little thing in here. No wonder I didn't see it. It's practically invisible. This is from Deer Beach, which I think is the first time I've ever seen this brand in an Ipsy or like just in general. This is a glassy lip oil and gloss. Oh, that sounds kind of nice. I don't know if like this kind of tannish color is supposed to be the color of the lip gloss or if that's just the regular packaging. If I had a magnifying glass, I could read the back for you guys and tell you if it says like a color on here, but I don't have that. So there's about no chance I'm actually gonna be able to read that tiny little writing on the back. Can you guys see that? You got like x-ray vision? I don't. All right, so this is everything in our first bag, and this definitely wasn't makeup heavy, but I still feel like I can't say it's a skincare bag. I mean, it definitely was very heavy on skincare. I would consider all of these skincare items, with these two being makeup items, but it's just a brow pencil and mascara. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm kind of inclined to say this is my regular bag, even though there's like no color makeup in it. So I'm gonna go with regular bag, but I'm like going back and forth between skincare and regular. So let me know what you guys think. Alrighty, moving on here to the second bag. Let's go ahead and bust on into this bad boy and see what we got. What's this? Where did this bag come from? The heck? Where'd the cute daisies go? These are all the bags that I've received this month. I opened up all of my other Ipsy bags. I got all of these in this month, so that's very odd. But this bag it's like this. It's like a shiny pink with like a purpley looking zipper, like a very grapey purpley color. Okay, so this is the April bag. It has the little April insert in it, but like the bag itself is nowhere near as cute as the little daisy one. Did they have other bag options? Like were there multiples that you could get, or did they just like run out of the cute one? I mean, this one is fine. Like it's not an ugly bag. It's just like shiny pink, and I won't be keeping any of these bags anyway. Alrighty, oh, interesting. All right, so the very first thing we have in here is from OUAI, which I still can't remember. Is that pronounced way? I'm not 100% sure, but the only thing I've ever seen from this brand has been hair care stuff, and this is actually a body cream, so that's a little bit different for me. No. That smells like your grandma on a Sunday morning. That is very, very scented, like baby powder and roses, or at least that's what I'm getting from it. That's, ooh, that's a strong one. It's on my finger and I can't stop smelling it for some reason though. All right, the next little item in here is wrapped up in bubble wrap, which makes me excited. Oh, did we just get this? I feel like I said this is the palette that looked kind of like Lizzie McGuire to me, but this is from Farrah. It is a little pressed pigment duo in the shade Bloom and Wildflower. Oh, okay, so it might be from the same brand and kind of the same product, but I do think the colors are different. That is, again, a very grapey purple. That is quite purpley. And if you've been on the channel for a while, you know purple isn't my color, and you know why. That 7-year-old, man, her words just really cut deep. All right, so next up in here, we have another itty bitty tiny squeezy tube. Alrighty, so we have another little gloss from Deer something. Deer Beach. I don't know why the way I said that sounded like I was writing like Deer, something else that starts with a B, but like kind of in an accent, like Deer Beach. Anywho, all right, again, stuck together. The last two items in here, we have something else in bubble wrap. This is from V Cosmetic. Oh, Magnolia. This is in the shade Magnolia. It's like a very vibrant pink. I had a cat named Magnolia for like 13 years. Magnolia Belle, who was very aptly named because she was a Southern belle. She was prim and proper and like swooshed around her big fluffy gray and white tail, and anytime I see the name Magnolia, it reminds me of her. But this is very, very pink. That's quite bright. I'd say this is a blusher, but that's just a little bit too vibrant for me, so this will probably be donated as well. All right, and then the very last thing in here is from, I think this is from Ico. I can't see the brand on it, but I think that little E with like eyelashes on it means it's from Ico. This is a Black Magic eyeliner. I have actually been getting back into wearing black liner. Like I feel like its grip on me will never let go fully. And I've also been receiving a lot of them in subscription boxes. So yeah, it's nice to have more black liners, but I do have several right now, so probably donate. All right, you guys, so this is everything that came inside of our second bag. I'm almost thinking this might be our adventurous bag because we got a very bright pink blush and we also got a purple eyeshadow. That's pretty out there, you know. Typically Ipsy doesn't send anything really adventurous. A purple eyeshadow is kind of pushing it for them, so I'm thinking this might fit into our adventurous profile. But again, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. The comments. Alright you guys, let's move into our final bag here. This one is also feeling pretty skinty. It's a little bit on the skinty side. Oh yay! Okay, this one also comes in the adorable little daisy bag. I'm assuming either there are variations for this month or they just ran out of this one. I don't know. Ooh, right off the bat, I'm seeing repeats. So let's go ahead and pull those out. The first repeat that I'm seeing is the Cokie little tiny skinny square tube. Squoob. Following that, we have another Ico Black Magic little eye pin. And then for the third and final repeat here, we have another Bobbi Brown mascara. So definitely several repeats in this bag. And that leaves us with 2 final items in here. This also feels like daggone empty, I swear. This one only claims to be half an ounce though, and that seems like realistic. This is a that's different. That's new. Low hyaluronic? I don't know what low hyaluronic means. I don't think I've ever heard of that before in like a skincare product. Low hyaluronic tangerine booster serum. The packaging though is very pretty. It looks like a summertime like popsicle. I like that. Are they just making stuff up? It says this highly concentrated green tangerine extract. Are green tangerines a real thing? Are they talking about like the stage before they're ripe, like tangerine pre-tangerine color? How many times have I said tangerine so far in this video? Probably more than I ever expected to. Oh, it's my father. Ow! Something just poked me. Ow, that hurt. What the heck was that? Sorry about that. Ow! What is happening? Well, you guys, I think there might be a tiny shard of glass in my finger. That's what keeps stabbing me. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled programming here. The last thing we have is from Foxy Bay. This is an InstaBay 3-minute hair mask. Oh, it's a hair mask. If you guys haven't seen, I did post a couple of videos all about my hair and my hair loss. I'll link those down below. One of them kind of tells like my story of hair loss and the other one is like how I kind of got my hair to be a little bit better. But because of all the things I deal with my hair, I typically do not try out any of the hair products I receive. I could try this maybe just on the end since it is just a hair mask, but again, I'm literally just so afraid to put anything else on my hair, so I probably will donate this. Which is real fast. This look like everything on this entire package is off-center to anybody else. Like everything on here just looks slightly off-center and I can't look at anything else in the packaging. Alright, so that was everything in our third bag, and honestly, like, I don't know. The first and the third bag are basically the same bag. So because of the addition, solely because of the addition of the black eyeliner, I'm gonna say that the third bag is the regular bag instead of the first bag. So our lineup stands as is. The first bag I said was my regular bag, but it actually is. Yeah! The second bag I said was my adventurous bag, and it actually is. Yeah! And my third bag I said was the skincare bag, but it actually is. Yeah! Let me know if you guys guessed correctly which one is which. I personally had a really hard time with this one. Like the first and the third they're so similar. Typically I can pick out the skincare bag like that, usually before I even open the bag because I like shove a sheet mask down into the mailer. But this one was quite hard, and honestly these bags might not be my favorite. So what I am going to do though is, because we did receive some doubles of these things, I think I might go ahead and test them out anyway because we did get 2. So I'm going to go ahead and try out the eyebrow pencil, the eyeliner, and the mascara, and then I'll try on the gloss as well. And then what I might do is maybe do a look inspired by the bags, a very purpley eyeshadow and maybe like a really pink cheek, because that's gonna look good on me. Really quickly guys, before we move on into the try on, I am so excited to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Squarespace. Listen you guys, if you have ever wanted to start your own business or you just want to like dabble in making your own website, Squarespace is perfect for anyone looking to build their business online, engage with their audience, or anything honestly you need a website for. Not only do I use Squarespace for my business, I also use it for personal reasons like building my wedding website. There is really endless possibilities with having your own website, and Squarespace has a bunch of cool and useful features like galleries where you can display images and videos in unique ways. They also have blogging and commenting features that allow you to create a community on your Squarespace website. It even offers a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes, and it gives you the ability to connect your social media accounts and display posts from your social profiles directly on your website. So if you're looking for something to help you create a unique online presence, boost your brand, or help you in your business, then check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and then when you're ready to launch lunch, go to squarespace.com/AlexandriaBryan for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And just thank you so very much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video and helping support the channel. Alrighty folks, let's go ahead and get on into a little try on portion here. Like I said, I'm just gonna kind of like imagine that I'm using the stuff from the bag so I can still be able to donate them, but then also I'm gonna be using a couple of things from the bags. Does that make any sense? I don't know. This might not work. We'll see. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just probably like my whole face, just the whole thing besides the blush, I guess. So give me just a second, I'll be right back. As soon as I turn play, as soon as I press go, it turns blue. Why are you blue? Alright you guys, so the base of my face is done, and what I'm finding is that when I went to go look for a blush that matched that like really pinky blush that we got in the bags, I don't have one because I don't honestly keep that much makeup. But what I do have here is an eyeshadow palette that we just got in the Ice Cream Beauty box, which I did an unboxing of, but I did the unboxing with the fan on. So every now and then you can hear like, whoa, whoa. So that video might not be coming out ever. But we do have this palette here and it has a purpley shade in it for the eyes, so that works out. And there's some kind of pinky shades in here. So I figured maybe if I lightly mix these two together, that could be kind of pink. I don't know, probably a very bad idea. Anyway, but the first thing that I'm going, where's my stuff? I set it right here, like right in front of me, and it's gone. Okay, I found it like all the way across my table under some stuff. No memory putting it over there. I've been seated this whole time, so I don't anyway, okay. First thing I'm gonna start off with here is my eyebrows. I feel like I can't do my eye makeup unless my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real fast. Well, maybe real fast. Like I said, this is pretty rough, not very creamy or smooth at all, so this might take a minute. That's very square. I made like a perfect 90-degree angle. This brow over here is much more sparse in the front, so I'm just gonna do some little flicks for some hairs. Ooh, that's a boy too high. I mean, it definitely works. My eyebrows are definitely darker. They might be a little bit darker than I'm typically used to, a little bit more like defined than I'm used to. But I mean, you know, it gave me some brows there, so I guess it worked, which is maybe not my favorite product. Okay, next I'm gonna go into this palette here. This palette here, and we're gonna do a purple look, which is something I haven't done in a very long time, so I think it's gonna be a fairly subtle purple look just to get the feel of that like Welch's grape juice color that came in the Ipsy. And I might end up looking like I have conjunctivitis. I didn't really think about that. Very good. Okay. I love a good patchy purpley red eyeshadow look. Okay, nice and messy, just like it typically is every time I do eyeshadow, so that's good. And then I think there's like a paler shade in there, so I'm just gonna take a light little pale shade and do that right here, just with my fingertip. Alrighty, and I do think I'm gonna try out the eyeliner. However, I think I'm gonna change my mind about the mascara. I'm probably gonna go ahead and just donate this because I am very loyal to my Monsieur Big Lancome mascara, and I don't really use anything else besides that, so I don't want this to go to waste. But I'm not really loyal to eyeliner. I'll use just any old eyeliner, as long as it stays put pretty good. So I'm hoping that this one stays really nice and put. Gotta go ahead and get just real up close and personal with my mirror because I cannot see. I'm gonna shake this up a little bit because it's a little sticky. So maybe giving it a good shake will help. I don't know why I have to get so intense about it though. Just, you know, a little will probably do. I think the vigorous shaking did actually help a tiny bit. Oh, do you guys hear that? Do you hear that buzzing in the background? It's springtime, baby, and that means Jimmy's back in action. Jimmy! Missed you, buddy! Do you all ever do your eyeliner like halfway decently and decide you need to fix it and then absolutely destroy the work you've just done? Alright, so I'm gonna slap on some of my regular Monsieur Big mascara and then I'll be right back. Alright, now that the mascara is on, I'm going to attempt to recreate that like kind of hot pink blush that we just saw. So I'm gonna use this color here, which has a bit more of like a coral tone to it, and then this one down here, which has more of like a, it's pretty hot pink, but this one's also shiny, so I'm just gonna do like a little bit of both. And I realize that these are eyeshadows and likely more pigmented than that blush was, so I'm gonna go very light with this. Remember, this is an inspired look. I'm being inspired by my Ipsy bag. So alright, here we go. Is anything happening? On the camera, it looks like I just put on 10 pounds of blush. In real life, it looks like nothing. Alrighty, there is the pinky blush on with just a little bit of highlight on top of it. I'm going to put on a tiny bit of this gloss. I think it is just honestly a clear gloss. We'll just see like how it feels on the lips. Oh, look what it, Ooh, okay, yeah, okay. That feels very normal. Like almost too normal. Like there's nothing really about it. It doesn't like taste super good, smell super good, feel extra soft on the lips or anything. It's just a very normal, clear gloss balm. Alright you guys, so this is the entire look, kind of zoomed out. Let me know what you guys think about it. It is just very, very simple. It's pretty much my everyday look, but with just like purple instead of brown. Also let me know what you guys think about this kind of style of try on, like kind of getting inspired by what was sent in the bags instead of maybe using what actually came inside of the bags. That way I can donate more items and things will be less wasted. So just give me all of your thoughts, feelings, opinions about that. That'll be super helpful down below in the comments. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It means the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!